Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to fix mouse lag Windows 11. To start, in the search box we enter mouse. Let's open the mouse settings. Here we will disable the switch. Scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.